So CIGA Design reached out to me a while back and sent me their watches to check them out. And this review and how to style video is gonna be my take and opinion on these bad boys Magician. A little bit of a background. CIGA Design is founded in 2016 and it is China's first original designer watch brand, which has won more than 16 international design awards and is the only Chinese watch brand winning the GBHG prize, which is known as the Oscars of the watch industry. So I am pretty pumped to check out the watches when they reach out to me, and the watches I chose are the Magician and the Blue Planet models in titanium, and in today's video I am going to be reviewing the Magician. In terms of the specs, it is made of titanium alloy, and the special part of this watch is that it comes with one inner movement and 3 different external watch casings, which allow for 3 styles in one watch. And as for the case diameter, the round case is 46.2 times 49 millimeters, the square case is 44 times 49 millimeters, and the hexagon case is 46 times 52.25 millimeters. Or the case has a thickness of 10.8 millimeters, and it features a strap size of 22 millimeters. The Magician features a CIGA Design in-house original automatic movement with hand winding and with a power reserve of 40 hours. The Magician has a traditional hour and minute hand. There's no seconds hand, but instead it is replaced with a rotating gear at the center. The hour and minute hands and the gear in the center are all luminous, which looks really cool when it is dark. I mean, just check it out, right? How cool is that? The watch movement also has a screw down crown, which allows you to manually wind the watch, and the watch also has a water resistance of 3 ATM or 30 meters. Alright, now let's get into the juicier part of this video, and that is what are my likes and dislikes about this watch. Of course, I'm gonna start off with the dislikes first, and first thing first, it is its lack of the date complication. I mean, I like my watches to show the date. I like to know the date, that is just me, but I guess it is trying to go for a more minimalistic design. Definitely not a deal breaker, but a date complication, it is still nice. And moving on to the dislike number 2, and I gotta say I'm pretty disappointed at the water resistance. With only 30 meters water resistance, it is really the bare minimum. I don't expect it to be 300 meters, but a 50 or 100 meters would be perfect. And that is pretty much it. Now let's get into what I love about this watch. And first up, let's talk about its design. I really love the floating see-through skeleton design of the watch movement. It is really unique. You can see everything that is going on inside of the watch. It looks like such a piece of art, and essentially you are seeing exactly how the watch is functioning from the outside. You can also see the jewels inside and the ticking of the gears. And of course, another highlight of this watch is that it comes with one inner movement and 3 different external watch casings, creating 3 styles in one watch. The flexible mechanical replacement mechanism allows the case to be switched by pressing the push buttons on top and on the bottom of the inner watch movement. Super easy to pop on and pop off. You can easily change up the look within a few seconds. The round casing by far is the most classic and timeless. It can definitely be worn with pretty much any outfit combinations, and the square casing is more casual, more edgy, and more fashion forward, a bit of a bad boy vibes, and is suited for those race car enthusiasts and those who want to look different. And lastly, the hexagon casing is a bit more rugged and tough looking because it is the most bulky casing out of the 3, best suited for those rough looking outfits. Okay, now on to what I like about it. Number 2, and it is how easy it is to change the watch strap. The straps feature an easy release system, which you can put on and take off the straps just by pushing a knob without using a professional watch tool. And if you get multiple straps, you can easily change up the look of the watch within seconds. Moving on to like number 3, and that is its durability. The watch and its casings are made of titanium alloy, which is lighter at the same time denser and more durable than your average stainless steel. And the black floral rubber straps also feel super smooth, super soft, and super comfortable on the wrist. And of course, the rubber strap, it is also washable, antibacterial, non-toxic, and wear resistant. resistant. And finally, moving on to like number 4, it has to be its versatility. I mean, this is probably one of, if not the most versatile watch I have ever seen, with the different casings for the different occasion situations. My wrist is 6 3/4 inches, about 17 centimeters. It is an average wrist size, and the size of this watch, it fits perfectly. The black rubber strap is definitely super versatile. Although it is rubber, which is meant to be casual, it can also be passed off as a formal black leather watch strap. You can dress it all the way up with some shirt and dress pants in an office setting with that classic round casing. Nobody will notice you are wearing a rubber strap, and it definitely looks like a dress watch. And of course, if you wanna, you can wear it with a full suit, no problem as well, and the watch can hide and fit perfectly under a shirt cuff. At the same time, if you want to dress it all the way down, you can also wear it with some t-shirt and jeans with those square casing to have a little bit more fun, to show some personality and to stand out a little bit. Personally, the square casing, it gotta be my favorite look. And of course, it looks super rugged and bad boy with some all black and boots outfits with that hexagon casing that looks a little bit bulkier and more masculine. Totally fits that all black monochromatic badass ninja outfit combination. And even with some sportswear like some t-shirt, shorts and sports shoes, it looks super fantastic, phenomenal nonetheless. Truly one of the most versatile looking watch of all time.